In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Pytorch in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Pytorch tools set up inside your editor so you can write and explore Pytorch code more comfortably. We're keeping this simple and focused. Open Visual Studio Code, go to the extensions view, search for Pytorch, and install it. I'll add clear context and tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you've pinned it to your taskbar or dock, just click the familiar blue icon. Otherwise, launch it from your Applications menu. Give it a second to load your recent workspace or open folder. You don't need a specific project open for this install, but having a folder ready can help you test things later. Next, head to the Extensions view. Look along the left-hand activity bar for the square icon that looks like 4 squares forming a grid. Click that to open extensions. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also open the extensions view with a quick key combo. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+Shift. On Mac OS, press Command+Shift. You'll see a search bar at the top and a list of suggested tools below. In the search box, type Pytorch in all lowercase. The results are not case sensitive, but using the exact keyword brings up the most relevant options. You'll likely see several results, including official and community-made extensions. Take a moment to glance at the publisher name, ratings, and recent update activity. Choosing a well-maintained extension from a reputable source helps ensure better IntelliSense, snippets, and integration with common workflows. Click the result that best matches Pytorch support to open its details page and review the description so you know what features you're adding. Now, click Install. VS Code will download the extension and set it up for you. Depending on the extension, you may see a brief progress indicator and in some cases a prompt to reload the window so everything activates properly. If you're prompted to reload, go ahead. When the editor comes back, the extension will be active. You might also see recommendations to install related tools, like the core Python extension. Those recommendations are optional, but they can improve your editing experience with linting, IntelliSense, and debugging. That's it. You've installed Pytorch support in VS Code. Remember, this adds editor features. The actual Pytorch library that runs your code is installed separately in your Python environment with your preferred package manager. When you're ready, check the official Pytorch site for the correct install command for your system and hardware. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Pytorch in VS Code.